The first thing to do is get the hose started. It can take hours to add enough water to fill the pool properly. We use a bucket of water on top of the hose to keep the hose in place. Let this hose run while you're working. When we backwash the sand filters, the water level can drop over an inch, so it is important to add water. The proper level for the water is slightly above the middle of the blue tiles. We use the 3-foot marker to identify the center of the tile. Next, cleaning the 6 skimmers. Remove the lid, lift out the skimmer basket, and set it aside for cleaning. Reach down and rotate the flapper valve that covers the suction port. Rotate this until the port is 100% closed. This will divert all the suction to the vacuuming. Check the weirs as you work to verify they are working and moving freely with the water. The weirs are a very important part of keeping our pool water clean. Notice how the skimmer lid fits. Line up the 2 holes to get the lids to seat properly. We have 6 skimmers. This diagram shows their general locations. Work your way around all 6 skimmers, removing the skimmer baskets for cleaning. Pick up any bobby pins or trash as you walk around the pool. For your safety, put the skimmer lids back on after you retrieve the baskets for cleaning. Make sure the lids are seated firmly. Accidentally stepping into an open skimmer can cause a severe injury. Having the lids in place will prevent you from falling into an open skimmer as you're vacuuming the pool. Use the trash can to clean out the skimmer baskets. You can wash the skimmer baskets to clean them, and then set them aside.
Next, we'll use the nets to remove large debris from the pool. Retrieve a pole and attach one of the nets. In this example, a flat net is used for the bottom of the pool. Scrape it along the bottom, capturing the debris in the net. Lift it out and dump it into the trash can. For cleaning the surface of the pool, we use the larger net. Next, we're going to brush the sides of the pool. Select a large brush and attach it to a short pole. Brush the side of the pool in downward movements. This loosens any dirt attached, allowing the filters to clean it out of the water. Return the brushes to the shelf with the bristles facing up. Hooking up the vacuum hose. This diagram shows the skimmers we usually use to vacuum from, but any will work. Retrieve the vacuum head, carrying it by the end to minimize bending it. Retrieve the hose. Check this bolt to make sure it's snug to enable steering the vacuum head. Firmly attach the hose. and lower it into the pool, filling the hose with water. Push the rest of the hose in to fill it with water. This is an example of a hose that's full of air. It floats on top of the surface. A hose properly full of water will float just beneath the surface. Push the hose through the skimmer, open the suction port, and push the hose into the port. The hose should be sucked into place. And then put the skimmer lid firmly in place. Close the main drain valve if you need more suction in the skimmer port. You can hear the pump tone change when the water is restricted. You want to get all the suction you can get, but don't starve the pump for water. The skimmer valve should be open 100% as shown here. Vacuum the bottom of the pool in any grid that works for you. Take your time and move in straight, steady lines. Move to different skimmers with the vacuum hose as needed, but remember not to starve the pump. The pump must always have water moving through it.
When finished, move the main drain back to its normal position. There should be 3 visible notches here. Close the skimmer suction ports about 60% or 40% open. The goal here is to balance all 6 skimmers. Insert the basket and close the lid securely. Coil up the hose and put things away. Often after vacuuming, the filters need backwashed. You will see flow problems. If the filters need backwash, the heaters will indicate low flow on their displays. The flow meter on the floor, left of the filters, is the best way to measure water flow. Good flow will be above 160 gallons per minute. Flow below 150 gallons per minute would indicate a problem.